All of these plants like this one and these over here, all of these over here are all mature enough where they can get down into the water level. So even if I get busy and I don't water one day or whatever, I'm still good for the most part because there's still some moisture way down in the bottom of these containers. And that's been the key to my success most of the time, is by having this system set up where they can get down and get into the water. As you can see, there's a lot of great green, a lot of things are going really good. But as I've shown in the past, there has been some failures along the way. But for the most part, this self-watering system works really great. And this is the time of the year, my whole garden is set up for this time of the year. What I needed to do and I haven't done, and I may get to later, is setting up a shade cloth. That's kind of why this is set up the way it is, so they can put some shade across here, but the project just hadn't been completed.